Hello everyone, Professor G here. Today we're going to show you how to put spark lines in your Excel worksheet. Alright, I've been making a lot of videos today, so please excuse any mistakes that I make. I just want to make this as simple as possible for each and every one of you. All right, first of all, we use spark lines when and only when we want to show trends. So it's not a large graph like a pie chart or a column chart. It is just lines showing if something went up or down, when it peaked or when it didn't peak, okay? So let's get started. First of all, we're going to add a new column. So I'm clicking on column G to select it, and then I'm right clicking and I'm going down to insert to add that particular column. I'm going to highlight from cell G6 all the way down to cell G12. And the reason I'm doing that is because in that column G, starting with row 6 through 12, that's where I want my spark lines to appear. Now this is how you find the spark lines. You go to your Insert tab, and then you go to your Charts group. I'm sorry, you don't go to your Charts group. You go to your Spark Lines group, and then you'll see that you have line, you have columns, and you have win and loss. For this exercise, I'm going to click on the line, and it's going to give you many charts within the cell. So let me click on that. And now we're going to have to find our range. What data are we evaluating? So I'm going to evaluate from cell B6 to C12. Okay, so I'm evaluating from B6 to C12. Now you see the location, and it has cell what? G6 to cell G12, but it has what? Dollar signs. So what does that mean? If you have dollar signs, what does that mean? G6 has dollar signs all the way down to G12. That's the location where we want our spark lines to show. But I want everyone to know that if you have dollar sign D, dollar sign 6, right, for this particular cell, and all the way down to cell G12, that means you have an absolute value. And what that means is your absolute value or those cells will never change, right? So if you don't understand absolute value, go back and start all over on the times table exercise, and that is in YouTube. For right now, we're just going to click OK, and you're going to see the spark lines appear. So we find out that as we look at the data, we can see that on the data for this particular line, it goes up, it goes up. And now this is down and it goes up, down and goes up, down and goes up. Every one is going up. So when you look at your spark lines, that's exactly what is happening here. So let me just click back into the spark lines. If you want to do column, you can. And then you can pick your different styles. If you put your mouse over the different styles, it'll tell you exactly what you're selecting. This one is blue, sparkline style, accent 5, no dark or light. So that's what I'm going to pick. You can change your sparkline color, and so now I'm changing it to purple, right? See, it's purple. And you can point out your high, but there's no high here. Let me go to win and loss so that you can, let me go back to line so that you can see the high. See the point on the high and see the point on the low, okay? And we're not going to have any negative points here, all right? But if you needed a negative point, you can see up here in your style group that it shows the negative points, okay? You can, let me take off all the other points. Show the first point, that's going to be your low point, and the last point is going to be your high point. Okay? All right. So now you know how to add spark lines. Let me show you win and loss. And this is what win and loss looks like. All right, everyone. I will see you all in the next lesson. Bye-bye.